Mabuhay ug madayaw! This time, we will have a special segment featuring our promising incoming municipal councilors. A fast talk with Team Haygugmaong Lupon with yours truly, Direk Farah Abdul. Ang atong guest karon, not new to politics, banggiitan og inyo nang nasulayan, Councilor June Maralit. Maayong adlaw kagawad.
Good day.
Ready na bakas akong gi-prepare nga mga questions sa imo ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get it on. Change or tradition?
Change.
Okay. Transparency or efficiency?
Transparency.
Leader or follower?
Leader.
Why?
Because I am a leader.
Policy or implementation?
Policy.
Why? Why policy?
Before any implementation will be implemented, there should be a guiding policy.
You know, ngano na ako'y mga pangutana nga kay kagawad because I want to know how experienced he was. And it says about his personality. That's when ako'y mga questions nga gina-bat in. So, people's welfare or economic growth?
People's welfare. Because we are public servant.
Right. City development or rural advancement?
Rural advancement.
Public office or private sector?
Public office.
National law or local governments?
Both local government and national law.
Immediate action or long-term planning?
Long-term planning.
Thank you so much, kagawad. Ayong adlaw.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.